Welcome to systemctl. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about systemctl command in Linux. Systemctl is the tool we can use to manage the services that have been defined on our system. So first, let us check the status of a service. We can use systemctl status and then the service name. It will check the status of the service. So I have system cdl and status, and I'm going to check the status of nginx. That will be, and hit enter, and here's the output. So we get an assortment of data that's useful for all kind of troubleshooting tasks. This is what the output of the nginx web server service look like. So let's try to dissect the information that displayed in the output. So first we have over here is a service name, the name of the service as defined in its unit file. And then we have loaded state, whether the service unit file has been successfully loaded and is ready to be started. Then we have active state, the current state of the service, whether it is running, inactive, or failed, and how long it's been that way. So our is running at this time. Then we also have docs, the main page where we can find relevant documentation. And we have main PID and child processes. Uh, the process ID, PID of the main process associated with the service. And with the additional entries for any child processes that has been launched. So then we have resource usage, RAM memory, and so on. So this information provides a detailed overview of the service and its status and can be useful for debugging issues or checking the health of the service. Now we are going to learn how to start a service, and right now our service is already started, so we are going to stop a service first. Let's see. I'm just gonna end with Control C, and I'm just gonna type systemctl. If you want to start the service, you can just start and then the service name. For example, for us is ng for nginx. So I'm not going to enter this because we are have our service running already. So first we are going to do systemctl and use stop for stopping a service, and then our service name, and hit enter. It is asking for the password, your user's password, and now we are going to check the status again. So to make sure this service is stopped, systemctl now is status and nginx. Now we can see over here our active is the status is inactive, so it's not running. And we are now going to restart a service. So we're gonna do systemctl and use the restart, in our service name again. So this is more useful than when just hit enter for now, and we are going to enter the password. So what this command do is just stop and then start a service. So yeah, it is equivalent to doing systemctl stop service name and then systemctl start service. So let's see the status again now. And so now this status is active, so the service is running. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.